I chose to come to SJVC because I was working minimum wage and I wanted something better. They offered a fast track program that'll allow me to get through school faster and get a job quicker.
I've always done well on my grades for tests, but really struggled on my grades for homework. Here, everything is hands-on. They don't really have homeworks because we're just doing things here. And it just fit. I've done better at this school than I've done at any other school because it's something that I'm passionate about and it fits my learning style better.
They have reading to do. They'll have maybe some worksheets, some labs to do. It really depends on the instructor, how they structure it, but they always have lecture and stuff like that, and there's always hands-on elements. We have a testing center here where they do their ratings first, and once they pass, it goes for a general airframe and power plant. Those ratings, they get to do an oral and practical, and that goes with a designated mechanical examiner from the FAA, and once they get that, they get their certifications. It gives them pretty much the ability to work on anything.
My favorite thing about the program is how everything is focused on the specific field. There's not a lot of frivolous learning stuff that we're not going to use. We learn the information that is used in aviation.
We help them a lot, and the instructors do by just talking to them. They all have experience, which is another unique point because they do bring different perspectives too. So all these things that we talk about, they can physically see and touch. And being on a bigger jet, they get to see the smaller planes are fine, but there's just something about a jet. And so when I see a jet, it's more fun. There's more stuff to it. There's moving parts. They get to see all these things, and it just helps cement what they're learning.
It gives you actual practical job experience for if you work for a big airline, because there's these little aircraft and they also summarize basically what you'll be doing, but to have that actual version rather than just some like downscaled model of what you're working with is really helpful.
SkyWest has a program they have for students that can go through there. SkyWest come here at least twice a year and do demonstrations and talk about SkyWest, the benefits.
There's so many different reasons that a person would be not only successful here, but they would really thrive. If you're passionate about any kind of aircraft, it's for you. If you like doing things hands-on and you like working with materials and tools, then this is for you. If you like doing things on engines and you like working on cars already, then this would be a great program for you. Even though I had had such a negative experience with the other schools I went to in the past, coming here and seeing the way things work really gave me hope. And it made me excited to try it. Once I got in and started, then I just started having fun and being more successful than I ever have.